Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. Today I'm going to tell you guys what I did with the profits I made from selling my Dogecoin or Dogecoin or Dogecoin, whatever it's called. That's what today's video is about. So brief backstory of me, I don't ever invest in stocks or anything. I heard about Dogecoin at like 5 cents. I bought 20,000 of it. Then I actually sold it when it got to like 10 cents or something. I don't know how much I made off the original purchase, but then again, I bought it when it was 20 cents and I sold it this time when it got up to 60 cents. I invested about $800. I think I had 3,300 shares, and then I sold it for about 2,100. So I made about $1,200 off that. And my wife was like, don't sell it, you know, we don't need the money, just keep it in there. But I was like, well, it's basically a free $1,200 right now. So what can I do? I can just sit there and watch it go up and hope it goes up, or I can take it out and try to make some money off of it. To me, the stock market's almost like playing the lotto. It's great when you win. Realistically, if you do win, you shouldn't go play again. So that's just my own opinion. Maybe later on I'll get back into some stock market things, but right now I was like, I think I can take that $1,200 profit and make even more money. So what I'm gonna do is start my own trailer rental business. So I picked up this trailer right here. It's a 16-foot by 5-foot trailer. Obviously you can tell, you know, the wood's all rotted. He did have 2 brand new tires, but the other tire still needs to be replaced. And it does have these doors on it, which lock into these metal brackets here. So I do have to replace those as well. But what I think I'm gonna do is weld a whole new metal floor or do a wood floor and then do a metal sides. But overall, the frame's in really good shape. That's what I was looking for. You know, there ain't too much rust or anything on the frame. It's a pretty decent sized trailer, so I think once I get it fixed up, which I bought it for $350, so $350. But as you can see, most people would be like, I don't want to buy that because I got to do so much work for it. For me, it's going to be fun to redo it, and I'm probably going to do a video on redoing it, and then after it's done, I'll be able to make some money off of this. So what I'm thinking is, after I get it all completely set up, I can either rent it by the day, 24 hours or 48 hours, a rental fee for that, which I can probably get $150 to $200 to have somebody rent this, because if, you know, they have furniture or something, they're just trying to move or pick up something, you know, as long as it's not raining outside, they can definitely use that. I know a lot of people say, well, there's like U-Haul and all these other places that offer trailer rentals as well, but I think there's enough people out there that I can definitely get someone to rent this out. I got like, I don't know, $300 to $500 to put into it, and then after that it'll be like $850. So I would still have some money left over from my profit in Dogecoin, but I also will be able to then rent this, I would say anywhere from 150 to 200 bucks a day, or even if they do it multiple days. So once I rent it 4 or 5 times, it's already completely paid for. Now at that point, what I would do is buy 2 extra tires, which I actually have the rims for the tires, so that's cool, but I just got to buy 2 extra tires. And then, you know, that's really the only thing that I can foresee that would go wrong. I mean, obviously if somebody crashes it or steals it, that's a whole nother story. I might have to eventually have a lawyer or something write up an agreement that I have people sign, but pretty much I'm just going to make them pay a down payment to start, and then, you know, the fee to actually rent it. If you made some money off Dogecoin or some of these other cryptocurrencies and you're thinking about starting a business, I would just say go for it, do it. You know, I'll let you guys know how this journey goes. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna definitely show you how far I take this trailer business. Hopefully it all works out, and if it doesn't, we'll learn something. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and have a good one. Go start your own trailer business or whatever business you want to start, guys.